Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an inclined fan fold shirt that I'm going to ice dye. So to begin, my shirt is inside out and I've laid it out flat on my table. I'm taking a washable marker and wrapping a piece of kite string around it. Then I'm going to make a mark right in the middle where I want my fan fold to begin. Then I'm using the washable marker and the kite string to just make an arc shape on my shirt. I'm going to fan fold this line, and then I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. The rest of my shirt I'm going to continue to fan fold and tie it up with some kite string as well. Okay, so I set my shirt aside for about a day or so, and it's nice and dry and ready to start applying the dye. I'm going to incline dye this shirt. So to do that, I have taken a piece of plastic guttering, put one end down inside of a plastic tub, left the other end hanging over the end of the tub, and put my shirt down inside of the guttering. The end where I began my fan folds is the end that's at the top of the guttering. The first color I'm going to put on is Dharma's Glacier Blue, followed by Kelly Green, Faded Denim, Forest Green, Alpine Blue, New Emerald Green, Cobalt Blue, and Kelly Green. Then I'm going to add on soda ash and ice. After I put my ice on the shirt, I also put a little sprinkle of Glacier Blue over the entire shirt. I came back a few hours later after all the ice had melted, and I added another layer of ice and another little sprinkle of Glacier Blue over the top. Then I continued to let my shirt process for about another 24 hours. Alright, so here's what our inclined ice dye ended up looking like. Listen, I really appreciate you all watching my videos. If you're enjoying them, would you please hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.